Hey guys, today today we'll be making bread from this package of bread that I bought. Oh god. First off, we'll be doing this chocolate. I've been making bread a long time, so this should be easy. There you go. See you guys, like this. Yeah, I think it's working. There you go. I don't know why I'm doing this type of video. Probably won't get a lot of views. Just changing up a bit, instead of gameplay, doing cooking videos, I guess. There you go. I don't know, I guess I'm putting too much chocolate paste to it. I don't really know. Does that look good or not? Probably not, since it's shit, legit. Probably shit, and you guys are probably gonna say I'm a bad YouTuber. Don't worry, I'll be going in like about a month, so shouldn't be that long till I go. So I'm just making random videos so that at least there's something that I could do while waiting. There you go. And this is the end result. Normally I do this. Oh god. I do this. The second bread. God dang it, I'm so stupid. I'm not even in it, am I? There we go. So that I'm looking more. And the bread I can, yeah, there we go. Setting the other one aside. Shit. Okay, let's do that. Oh god. Oh god, what am I do with this? Shit. Well, using the bread itself shouldn't be that hard. You guys probably saying I'm disgusting, which is right. I probably am disgusting. Well, anyway, let's try this thing. I forgot what it's called in English. Does it even have a name in English? I don't really know. I have more than this since it's really, really sweet, so I kind of don't like it and stuff. But even that, it's good. The flavor that I like, I don't even know the name of. That's how stupid I am. Probably putting too much. This one is totally better. Also, I don't have a toaster. That's one thing. I don't have a microwave or a toaster to put this in. That's probably why it's terrible. But I don't know. Maybe it's look good. For some of you guys, maybe. I don't know. There you go. Just a bread. Probably need some more on the top layer. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. Yeah, it's done. Made the bread. Pretty easy. Oh, god dang, it's breaking. The bread breaks. Like, what the hell? Well, that's it. I just want to show a video of me making bread, basically. So let's prep up and let's try the bread. God dang, I need to clean that. Jeez. This is also my bedroom, not my kitchen or anything. God, you guys must be in pain hearing that. There's probably gonna be ants everywhere. Just getting the videos time lapse too. A little bit. God dang it. There. Oh god. Following tips from starter YouTubers. I think I am not able to make it up. God, jeez. Well, anyway, let's prep up and try the bread, shall we? Let's try the chocolate one first. Good, but definitely needs more chocolate. Not that good without chocolate. It's good, you can eat it, but definitely need more chocolate. Okay, let's try the other one. The weird thingy, the orange. Yeah. Sorry about that. The orange one. It smells like bread. That's right. Good. Very sweet and stuff. Definitely like it. It's good. Very, very good. I keep staring there instead of this. It's kinda not good. A bad habit of mine. Since the screen is recording here, but I'm looking here at the clip. Good stuff. Okay. There we go. Good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this cooking episode, I guess. Probably gonna make more of these once when I get a kitchen or something. Oh, God. Well, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this video of me making bread and eating them. I hope you guys learned something, or definitely not. Like, if you guys learn something new, good. Yes, good. Learn something new. By the way, my ingredients, if you guys wanna get the same thing, it's this. I'm not sponsored or anything. It's over. It's Sri Kaya. It's like Kaya split. And the other one is chocolate spread. I don't know what the hell those are called. Well, I guess that's it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Of me baking. I mean, not baking, I'm just making 2 breads. But anyways, that's it. Like and subscribe if you guys want more of these. Leave a comment or something. And peace out. Bye.